yes, it's evening time. The sun's about to go down in the next half an hour, so I better get my camels indoor. Otherwise, bad guys, hyenas, lions, whoever will come and eat. And yes, these are my camels. Say hello to my little friends. There's 17 of them at the moment. Most of them are young ones. The older ones has died during the drought in 2017. During the beginning of 2017, there was a long massive drought and it destroyed all the livestock. So now all the older ones, you know, like the mothers, they all died. So I'm left with a few young ones, young especially males. There's still a few good mothers, big ones, like that one. She's beautiful. I'll show you this one. Very beautiful one. Her name is Tegan. Tegan means calm. She's calm down, settled. There's no trouble, there's no drama. You stroke her, you can walk underneath her. There's another one there as well. She's an older mother. She's pregnant as well. And look how peaceful this camel is. I'm gonna go and just start stroke her. That's what she wants. Even untie her. You know, the rope, she's got a rope on her leg to stop her from walking far. Otherwise she's gonna walk far distance. I'm her best friend. I'm not a threat to her, she's not a threat to me. Stroke her, touch her, top of her. I want her all day. I love that one. I love my little friend. Body. Punk. Oh yes. I love camels. The best thing I love about camels is the milk. Camel milk are beautiful. Nice. Very nice. It's very nice to have. Oh yes, you can see the sun. The sun's about to go down. It's beautiful. This is Somaliland, by the way. Somaliland. You understand me? That's the sun. It's actually about to go down. You see how big it is? Sooner or later it's gonna get dark. And once it gets dark, it gets very scary. You know, hyenas start coming running out. Oh. Fox. Wolves, whatever they call. They all start coming out and they all start scaring us. It is very scary. Very scary. I want to climb that tree. I'm gonna post on film until I get on top of the tree. See you later. That tree I'm gonna climb. Well. I wasn't lying. I wasn't lying about climbing the tree. I'm right at the top of the tree now. I see the whole land by the rooftop. It looks gorgeous. You might not like it, but to me this is beautiful. This tree is called yog. It's a tree that they use for making bell for camels. That's the land below me. All my camels are here. Sun's going down. And I'm going to go down. I'm not afraid of height. How high I am. That's the ground. Woohoo! Let's go! Bye bye, alligators. See you when I see you.